In the historic city of Dapitan, one of the most remarkable landmarks is the so-called relief map on the island of Mindanao, officially known as the Relief Map of Mindanao. This expansive map covers an area of roundly 900 square meters. The relief map positioned in front of the St. James the Greater Church and designed by the national hero Dr. Jose Rizal during his exile in the Pitan in 1892. More than just a decorative installation, the relief map served as a practical and educational tool. Rizal intended it as a geography and history lesson aid for his students and the town people. Jose Rizal modeled the map after an early scientific map from 1734 by a French Jesuit, adapting it into a tangible terrain form in a grass and sculptured land forms. Today, the relief map is celebrated not only for its educational value, but also for its heritage significance. It has been declared a national cultural treasure by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines. And just beside the relief map is the St. James Church. The church is located in the Poblacion, town center of Dapitan City, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. So it falls under the jurisdiction of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Dipolog. The feast day of the patron, St. James the Greater, is celebrated on July 25. The relief map of Mindanao is a large-scale terrain map of the island of Mindanao, created by Jose Rizal with the help from his teacher, Francisco Paula de Sanchez, S.J., during his exile in the Pitan in 1892. Jose Rizal constructed the map as both a beautification project for the town plaza and as an educational tool. Jose Rizal used it to teach geography and history to his pupils and the townsfolk of the Pitan. The design was inspired by an earlier scientific map made in 1734 by a French Jesuit, Father Villarde, for then the governor of Mindanao. The map shows the island of Mindanao in relief, a rising terrain format, with grassy mounds representing landforms and painted blue for seas. Some older district names are still visible on the map until now. So, Dr. Rizal designed a heritage zone with this relief map as one of its key historical components. You'll notice the scale of the map is large, so walking around it gives you a mini island experience, seeing how the terrains, landforms, and sea around Mindanao are represented. Because it's a three-dimensional representation, it's visually engaging, especially for visitors who enjoy heritage, landscapes, and outdoor exhibits. The map is rich in symbolic value. It shows how Rizal, while in exile, still engaged intellectually, scientifically, and socially with his surroundings and community. As a heritage landmark, it captures a moment in Philippine history, colonial period, exile of Rizal, the evangelization and geography of Mindanao, and the role of education. Pair your visit with the nearby St. James Church, the historical church in Dapitan, and the other Rizal-related sites in Dapitan, like for example, the shrine or the Rizal Shrine to maximize your visit.